EF40X, an electric off-road motorcycle, has an avant-garde and dynamic overall design. It adopts a mid-mounted engine and an aluminum alloy frame, and the basic configuration is full. Combined with Loncin's dirt bike manufacturing experience and mature tuning technology, you don't have to worry about quality control and performance. The maximum speed can reach 80 km per hour. It seems that the EF40X will have greater breakthroughs in power and torque, which means greater playability, and is a real grandmaster that can wander in the forest mud. Since it has not been officially released yet, its price has not been officially announced. However, similar products on the market are currently sold for 20,000 to 30,000 yuan. It is expected to be on the market in the second half of 2024.